document, if it actually has links, what we want to do, we want to go for each page, and if the document has links, we want to, for each page in document, and now you say pages like this, like we did before, right? But actually I learned in the other day that we can do just like this. Why? Because here in the document dir, okay, in the list of methods it has, if we go to the top, let me see, they have the document as here the underscore underscore get item underscore underscore. So this method is implemented, which means that this is a magic, let's say, I think some people call these magic methods, okay, and that method allows you to do something like document page 0, for example, or page 20, okay, page. Let's see if this does anything. Let me comment. It will do, because I know. But let's go here to the run and debug. Is a Python file, and let's wait. The first time it will take, I killed the terminal, so it will restart the entire process. But we are almost there, I believe. So it stopped, and we have here the page. Okay, it loads the page. Okay, actually, by the way, let me try here in the debug console. Let's say I want to get the page 10 through 20. No, it's not allowed to do something like this. To do something like this, we must do document.pages, and here we do 10 is the start, 20 is the last one, and it will return a generator that iterates over these 10 pages. Okay, we just learned a new thing, and let me close these. So we can do these for each page in the document, and then we want to do page.get_links, and let's learn about these links, what they are, what they do, and for that let's run and debug again. Now the process should be faster, I believe. Let's see. Okay, we are here. Links. Let's go to the debug console. Let's see the type of these links. Is a list, so links at index 0, it has here these, okay, and if we go here to the documentation, we have here the kind. Let's go back. Is number 2. What this means: requires an integer indicating the kind of the link. This is one of link none, link go to, link go tar or to r, link launch, or link URI. For values and meanings of these names refer to link destination kinds, and let's go to that. Okay, so we know that is the number 2 and points to a URI, typically a resource specified with internet syntax. Okay, so this is cool. Okay, so we learned a little bit more. Um, and then we have the xref, the rectangle where the link is, and here the URI. So we want to print these.